Well, it's this wave 4 and what degree of the wave 4 that's continuing to make things quite complex here. It's very difficult to explain in many ways as well. It gets quite complicated whether we've got the lower degree wave 4 completed just here. We had that nice symmetrical ABC pattern off this high just here, and this impulsive move to the upside could be the completion of the wave 5 of 3. Now, wave 4s are often very complex though, so we could always have something along these lines, the wave A of that, the wave B, and the wave C to the downside completing the lower degree wave 4 just here, and this is then the wave 5 to the upside. So we still may be a number of months away before we get this high degree wave 3 established and locked into play. Could also be locked in right here, as we've got it question marked at the moment as well, and this could be an ABC move for the high degree wave 4 before we shoot clear. I'm probably leaning towards that at the moment, which means we're going to continue with these flatter type patterns going on, these running flats, potentially expanded flats, or just an overall flat type pattern. As you can see, it has been pretty well sideways for quite a period of time here, and I think that's the best way to look at this at the moment, and it is above the all-time high area. So as you know, we're continuing very bullish with this. We have been for quite a long period of time, and when you see this type of price action, this sideways price action or consolidation above a major line of, in this case, old resistance now acting as support, that generally is very bullish. It's just a matter of how complex this pattern is going to evolve. I'd still like to see a bit more depth here. Obviously, we're quite overbought from where we presently sit. We're still in that seasonally weak September month, although it hasn't really given way to any sort of real depth or lows being locked into place here at the moment. We've still got a little bit to travel. Beginning of October can also be weak, so we're still looking for that to come into play here, and the overall patterns are still suggesting that we may still get a little bit more depth here to clean all this out and then get that upward momentum going. So I'm still longer term bullish. I'm liking all of this that's going on here above these all-time highs. That is very positive. I just have to stress that. Just how we've got the labeling is still a little bit convoluted. We're not quite sure exactly where the lower degree wave 4 is completing, or the high degree wave 4 for that matter, or whether we've even got a high degree wave 3 in place just yet. So I think we're going to need a little bit more time to be a lot clearer on this aspect of the chart, but overall this consolidation above these all-time highs is very positive indeed.